Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing the sunflower origami model. So without further delay, let's begin the show. So guys, for this sunflower lookalike toy fan model, we'll need 2 yellow sheets of paper and 1 blue sheet. This blue sheet is for the stick. You can use sticks also in that place. I'll show you what this is used for, and this is for the central portion. We'll cut in a circle and then we'll put some dots, black dots, and then we'll put in the center of the flower. So let's keep all this aside now. First, let's take a yellow sheet and we will make a zigzag pattern out of this. So fold it like this, half fold, and then again I'll fold it into 2 halves like this, and here also I'll fold like this. Now again this section I'll fold it like this into again half. So basically you need to make a zigzag pattern. So this again, this portion I'll just fold it like this. You can decide the width of the zigzag as per your sheet. This is an A4 sheet, so I'm deciding like this much width is enough. So let me focus a bit. Oops, yeah. So now say, okay, this was pending. Let's fold it like this. Let me adjust the exposure a bit. Yeah. So now say on this side, if you open this entire thing, you got this exact pattern. So first, if you fold it like this, then you have like this and like this, basically a zigzag form like this. The entire thing you have to make it. Similarly, you have to make the other sheet as well. So let me make these 2 zigzag pattern and I'll be back. So guys, here I'm back. So this is the zigzag pattern which I had made, and then now folded it from the center. Similarly for this, and now we will stick this portion so that it forms like a fan, and similarly we'll do with this, and then we'll also stick these 2 like this. So basically it will be like a full fan, a yellow full fan type of thing. And this was the blue sheet. I cut into 2 like this, and then out of the 2 sheets you just need to fold it like this. It's not exactly a flower, but it looks like a sunflower toy, so I've named it a sunflower model. So like this, basically you folded it to the exact thickness, and this stick will stick one here and we'll stick one on this side, so that using these you can just open and close like this. So let me do all the sticking part and I'll be back. So guys, here I have sticked all the parts. As you can see, this is the first yellow paper, this is the second, so I've sticked both of them, and these sticks I've sticked at the corners. So if you do it like this, you'll get a fan type of structure, a flower type of structure. And then we had that brown piece I've cut into a circle, and then I have made all these dots. You can decorate it as per your wish, and we'll stick it here basically like this, and we'll stick at the center portion only at this part, so that if you close it like this, it should close. So otherwise if you stick it, it won't be closing. So this is how it will look, and this is the final model. This is how it looks, the fan sunflower model. You can make changes as per your wish. You can make this as black as well, full black, and decorate it as per your own wish, but this is what it is, the final model of the sunflower fan model. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's very easy sunflower model, so go ahead, make one and enjoy origami. But don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.